In the realm of human experiences, there are moments that test our composure and resilience in unexpected ways. Welcome to a candid exploration that delves into a topic often discussed in hushed tones. Let's get started. What Viagra does to the penis. Number 1. Nitric oxide. The process of achieving an erection involves the release of nitric oxide, triggering vasodilation and relaxation of erectile tissue. Activation of cyclic GMP leads to increased blood flow, resulting in an erection. Viagra intensifies the body's natural response to sexual stimulation, enhancing the chances of a successful erection. Number 2. How Viagra works. Viagra is a phosphodiesterase 5, PDE5, enzyme inhibitor. It prevents the breakdown of cyclic GMP, sustaining the vasodilation and relaxation process. Viagra enhances the effects of nitric oxide. By inhibiting the breakdown of cyclic GMP, Viagra prolongs the vasodilation and relaxation process, enabling a sustained erection. Viagra's mechanism of action directly addresses the root cause of erectile dysfunction, facilitating better blood flow to the penis and enabling healthier erections. Number 3. Importance of taking Viagra correctly. Viagra doesn't directly cause an erection. It enhances the response to sexual stimulation. Empty stomach intake is recommended to ensure absorption. Duration of action is around 4 hours. Proper dosing, usually around 50 milligrams, ensures the desired effect without excessive dosage. Taking Viagra about an hour before intercourse allows time for absorption. You can regain control over your sexual experiences, achieving and maintaining erections when they desire. Number 4. Comparison with Cialis. Cialis has a longer duration of action and is suitable for daily use. Cialis can offer more spontaneity due to its extended effect. Its extended effect provides a broader window of opportunity for sexual activity, allowing for spontaneity. Cialis provides a more flexible approach to managing erectile dysfunction, allowing users to plan intercourse on their terms. Number 5. Safety and side effects of Viagra. Proper use of Viagra is relatively safe under professional guidance. Common side effects include flushing, headaches, indigestion, nasal congestion, and rare instances of blue vision. Contraindications like nitrates need to be considered. Severe side effects are rare and typically avoidable with proper medical supervision. Viagra offers a well-tolerated solution to erectile dysfunction, allowing individuals to experience improved sexual function with minimal risk. In conclusion, Erections Gone Wrong, What Viagra Does to the Penis, takes us on a journey through the intricacies of erectile dysfunction and its solution through Viagra. We've delved into the complexities of how the male body achieves an erection, understanding the role of nitric oxide, cyclic GMP, and vasodilation. We've explored how Viagra, as a phosphodiesterase 5 enzyme inhibitor, enhances the body's natural response, facilitating improved blood flow and the maintenance of healthy erections. It's essential to emphasize the significance of taking Viagra correctly, following dosing recommendations, and allowing time for absorption. This medication empowers individuals to regain their confidence, self-esteem, and intimacy, transforming their experiences with erectile dysfunction. Through a comparison with Cialis, we've discovered the flexibility and spontaneity that different treatments can offer, allowing individuals to choose the solution that aligns best with their preferences and lifestyles. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Erections Gone Wrong and its solution. Remember that seeking assistance for such concerns is a step toward regaining control, confidence, and a brighter outlook on life's intimate moments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out our videos on simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.